Ever thought about how you can get the best car deals without the hassle of reapplying for loans? Or how about a car loan that doesn't report to the credit bureaus? Well, today I've got something that might just change the game for you. But before we dive in, did you know that we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers? If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? A personal invitation? Well, consider this it. Introducing the Car Putty Flex line. This is a dream come true for those with good to excellent credit. Imagine having flexible financing, possibly for life. Your Flex line balance is always ready for you anytime for any transaction, and there's no need to reapply. Let's break down what Flex line offers. A range between $25,000 to $250,000 and up to $800,000 for LLCs. You can use it to buy new or used cars, refinance, or even buy out a lease. Per vehicle limits range from $10,000 to $150,000. And guess what? You can have up to 15 vehicles. Only cars from 2015 or newer are eligible. And the current rates, they start at the competitive 7.32%. But who's eligible? You need to be at least 18, a United States citizen, or a resident alien, employed, or live in a state where Car Putty operates. And if you're wondering about approval chances, it's designed for those with good to excellent credit. But remember, a high credit score doesn't guarantee approval. They look at your entire credit profile. A Car Putty Flex line of credit remains open as long as it's active. Once you sign the agreement, you have access for up to 24 months. But if it's inactive for 24 straight months, it will terminate. You can add or remove vehicles without reapplying. Car Putty ensures that the vehicles that are financed are in good condition, good value, and less likely to be stolen. This is to protect your investment and reduce loan default risk. For a detailed list of vehicle requirements, you can check out their website for more details. Now, Car Putty does claim to avoid random interest rates changes, multiple applications, and data sharing with countless affiliates. They also promise transparent decision making, and if you're looking to sell or trade a car, they have a V3 valuation system that helps you track your vehicle value and equity. Thinking about getting pre-approved? It won't harm your credit, but if you decide to move forward with your pre-approval offer, they will do a hard pull from your Experian FICO credit profile. I do recommend getting pre-approved first to understand your standing. After my assessment, here's what I found. Let's talk about the bad first. Interest rates might be higher than some credit unions. The line of credit doesn't report to the credit bureau, so it won't boost your credit score. If you are thinking about refinancing, your payment might increase. Now let's talk about the good. The best for last. It's a revolving line of credit. Pay it down and you can use it again. Simple as 1, 2, 3. That's the best deal you can get, right? It also won't report in your credit report. This could be good for someone that's going to help them with your debt to income ratio and you don't want this large sum amount on your credit. This is something that you might be interested in. And there's no need to reapply for credit, saving you from multiple hard pulls if you decide to get a new car. You can just add on to your line of credit. As of June 2023, Car Putty has expanded its services to 41 states. So they're not all in 50 states. They've been growing rapidly and more states are coming soon. But remember, they do soft pulls every 45 days to check if you still qualify for your initial line of credit amount. If your credit history deteriorates, they might reduce your line of credit or even close it. So that's a heads up. As of now, they currently do not report this line of credit to the credit bureaus, but it is going to change soon. So for business moguls out there, Car Putty does offer a auto line of credit up to a whopping $800,000 credit limit. If you are one to actually go forward with this $800,000 limit of line of credit for your LLC, a lot of business owners have said that they're super efficient, closing deals fast, and wiring the funds to the dealer the very next day. There is no down payment needed at all. Also, if you are a Turo host on a Turo platform, they have specific requirements for insurance. All cars must be financed through Car Putty. Now that's 100,000 bodily, 300,000 non-bodily, and 100,000 property damage coverage with a max deductible of $1,500. You must have that type of insurance with Car Putty. It's a little high. So I've done some deep diving into this fintech Car Putty to give you the nitty-gritty details. This product does require strategy, but if you do it right, it could be a game changer. Imagine the possibilities if they actually expand into the real estate sector with the same lending practices. This could be the future. So what do you think? Is Car Putty Flex line something you'll consider? And here's another question for you. How would you use this line of credit to maximize your benefits? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you're curious to learn more about Car Putty and their groundbreaking products, click the link in the description or comment section. Remember, knowledge is power, and together we can make the most informed decisions. And hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. We are on a road to 100,000 subscribers, and I hate for you to miss the party. Until next time, stay savvy and keep exploring. Bye.